This is a 2002 Mazda truck. Strong, durable, and dependable. All of the following features are included: air conditioning, cruise control, full power accessories, a CD player, dual airbags, fog lamps, and alloy wheels. This automobile won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
South Suburban Mitsubishi is the #1 volume dealer in the Midwest. Visit us online, give us a call, or stop by our dealership. We are conveniently located at 25963 South Governors Highway, just minutes off I-57 in Monee. Get greater value from the store that gives you more.